Alright, well, new master cylinder and handles here. So I'm going to try to do this one-handed. This isn't how optimal way of doing things, but we'll see what happens. Here we go. Hey, that actually came out pretty easy. This might not be too bad. I probably should get that first. I really need to buy a tripod or find somebody that wants to hang out and do this for me. Yeah, oh, there was a little brake fluid and it wasn't there. Just dripping oil. That off there. Sorry we're bouncing around so much. I'm trying to not do that. But it's just not that hard of a job. I don't have any brake fluid, so I can't bleed it today. Oh, well, guess I had a little brake fluid, but now it's on the floor. All right. Well, I'll be back. Okay, well, look at this new one. Tighten on. I don't want to overdo it. That's just aluminum. Alright. Now, this is going to come out of here. I have a new one of those. Set this one off to the side. Okay, that needs to... Yeah, gotta... Now this is a little different. Now it's coming off the front instead of the back. So, sorry, I'm having to use both hands. It's an awful lot of fun to try to do it with one hand. Ow. That kind of hurt. I'm going to check that with a wrench later to make sure it's not loose at all. But there it is. Brand new master cylinder. Brake lever. In black. It cost me $15. Whatever. It'll get brakes back on it. It's good enough. Thanks a lot.